If you want to earn some of this by making some of these, well, you need to live here. That is until now, because YouTube have just expanded that list to cover just about everywhere. And in order to celebrate this, I've come up with a fun little game that you can all play along with at home. How many of these can you reel off in the space of a YouTube short? So if someone can give me 60 seconds on the clock, thank you very much. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Algeria, American Samoa, Argentina, Aruba, Azerbaijan, Australia, Austria, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Bermuda, Belarus, Belgium, Bolivia, Bosnia-Herzegovina, Brazil, Bulgaria. Time for a quick recap. YouTube introduced the Shorts Creator Fund back in August of 2021, which promises to pay out $100 million to Shorts creators over the next year. This currently replaces the YouTube Partner Program, where you're paid based on ads served on your long-form content. Instead of this, you'll be paid based on the number of views your shorts get each month and from which country those shorts are viewed. But as an interesting aside on this, YouTube are now experimenting with placing adverts in the middle of YouTube Shorts. I polled the vidIQ community on this, and a small proportion of people are seeing those ads. What about you? Let us know in the comments below. Canada, Cayman Islands, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Dominican Republic, Ecuador, Egypt, El Salvador, Estonia, Finland, France, French Guyana, French Polynesia. Anyway, back to the Creator Fund. You can earn between $100 and $10,000 a month, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. We've already explained all of this in this video, go watch it if you need to get up to speed. The biggest problem with this fund to date has been its limited rollout. At the very beginning, you had to live in one of these 10 countries to be eligible for the Shorts Fund. A second announcement brought that number up to 46, but with this latest update, you can now reside in one of these 121 countries or regions and be eligible to be paid through the Shorts Creator Fund. Now let's just play devil's advocate for 1 second. We are all very quick to criticize YouTube when they make controversial decisions such as hiding public dislike counts. So let's be quick to applaud YouTube here. Less than 6 months after announcing how creators can earn revenue from Shorts, a platform in itself that didn't even exist 12 months ago, billions of people now have a potential to earn money from YouTube Shorts with nothing more than one of these and an internet connection. Isn't that pretty incredible? And so when it comes to the YouTube Shorts Creator Fund, it's no longer a challenge trying to figure out who's on the list, rather trying to figure out who still isn't on the list. If you're a YouTube Shorts creator who still isn't eligible, let us know where you live in the comments below. Georgia, Germany, Ghana, Greece, Guatemala, Guadeloupe, Guam, Honduras, Hong Kong, Hungary, Iceland, India, Indonesia, Iraq, Israel, Italy, Jamaica, Japan, Jordan, Kazakhstan. Now let's talk a little bit more about those Shorts payments. Surely if YouTube is rolling out the eligibility to more creators, that can only mean one thing, right? More competition with the same amount of money being shared around. Surely that means you're going to need more views to earn a bonus payment. Well, back when creators got their first bonus payments, they were mostly getting 1 million views or more to reach the minimum $100 payout. In Jake Failman's case, he gets hundreds of millions of views and still doesn't max out at the top payment of $10,000. So with all of these new creators trying to get their hands on that bonus payment, what are you going to need? 10 million views for $100? 1 billion views in a month for $10,000? That sounds pretty extreme, doesn't it? And I'm just speculating. Fortunately, I have a bit of data to suggest that it's not going to be as bad as what it sounds. Kenya, Kuwait, Latvia, Lebanon, Libya, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Macedonia, Malaysia, Malta, Martinique, Mayotte, Mexico, Montenegro, Morocco. A creator of mysterious origins shared their short statistics after receiving their first $100 bonus payment in December for presumably the views they earned in November. The number came to just 673,000 views, which seems to be on the very low side. Now, of course, we don't know where all of those views came from in terms of location. And we don't know if bonus payments are influenced by category of view, be it entertainment, vlogs, and gaming. So, just for a little bit of fun, I'm going to speculate a little bit here. Let's say that YouTube sets a threshold for bonus payments. You must get 500,000 to 1.5 million views from US viewers to earn $100 bonus payment. But that doesn't automatically mean you will receive a payment. YouTube will take creators from that bucket in a random lottery. That would mean that YouTube could spread these bonus payments across more creators, but the randomness may mean that creators are not sure whether they're going to get paid from one month to another irrespective of how many views they get on their YouTube Shorts. But as I said, I'm just speculating here. How do you spread $100 million across millions of creators? Nepal, Netherlands, New Zealand, Nicaragua, Nigeria, Norway, Northern Mariana Islands, Oman, Pakistan, Panama, Papua New Guinea, Paraguay, Peru, Philippines, Poland, Portugal. Whatever the exact numbers are, this is all generally very positive news for YouTube Shorts. There is now an established money-making system in place that many creators are eligible for. It seems reasonable to say at this point that a creator could start a YouTube channel today, make shorts, and by this time next month have earned their first $100 bonus payment. But let's be clear about one thing. When it comes to YouTube Shorts, nobody's going to get rich just from those bonus payments alone. Whether it's through brand deals or sponsorships, affiliate links baked directly into videos, or an ad revenue mechanism. Short-form video platforms such as YouTube Shorts and indeed TikTok are still in their infancy when it comes to monetization opportunities for creators. But just imagine where all this might be in a year's time. Puerto Rico, Qatar, Republic of Ireland, Reunion, Romania, Russia, Senegal, Serbia, Singapore, Saudi Arabia, Slovakia, Slovenia, South Africa, South Korea, Spain, Sri Lanka, Sweden, Switzerland, Taiwan, Tanzania. I didn't do too bad. I actually enjoyed that game more than I thought I would, so do try it yourself. Let us know how far you get through the list in the comments below. In fact, if anybody can get through the entire list in 60 seconds, share it with us on socials, and I may even give you $3. Disclaimer, I may not actually give you $3. Now, it only seems fair at this point that I should read off the rest of the countries in the list to make sure everybody gets mentioned. If you're not interested in any of that though, make sure to check out the video on screen now. Where was I? Thailand, Tunisia, Turkey, Turks and Caicos Islands, Uganda, Ukraine, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, United States, US Virgin Islands, Uruguay, Venezuela, Vietnam, Yemen, Zimbabwe. I love you all.